to get started by adding my milk in my blender. And then I'm going to add in bananas. And my peanut butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then I'm going to cover and blend. My smoothie is ready and I love how creamy it's looking. So I'm going to pour myself a glass of peanut butter banana smoothie. So I'm going to be using 3 ingredients. I have bananas, spinach, which are very fresh, and milk. You can switch the milk with water if you don't like milk in your smoothies. So mine, I'm going to be adding milk, bananas, and my spinach. Then I'm going to cover and blend. My smoothie is ready. And this looks so good. So I'm going to add mine in a mason jar. And the good thing about adding bananas in this recipe is because the bananas are going to add a lot of creaminess and sweetness. So actually you can't taste the spinach. So if you don't like the green smoothie, you try out this recipe just to add fiber in your diet and you will be good to go, because the spinach is full of vitamins and minerals and fiber. So to get started, I'm going to add in a little bit of milk. And here I have 3 mangoes. So I'm going to add that as well in my blender. Mangoes are my favorite fruit because they are always and forever very delicious. Once I have every mango in my blender, I'm going to cover and blend. When you notice that your smoothie is a little bit too thick, you can add a little bit of milk. Blend. My smoothie is ready. And over here I have my mason jar. I'm going to remove the lid. You can see how thick my mango smoothie is. This is going to be delicious. My smoothie is going to keep me full until lunchtime, and I can't wait to have my first sip. So good. So I hope you try out the recipe and make for yourself this amazing smoothie for your breakfast, or if you're fasting, it is the best. So catch you on my next one.